Hi, welcome to PersonallyFitDayton.com. My name is Casey Esser, and in today's video, we are going to cover some different corrective strategies for tennis elbow, an issue that affects far more than just tennis players. We can't ignore the quality of our soft tissue in the forearm, particularly the extensors, when it comes to tennis elbow, so that is the first thing we're going to attack. And the first thing we're going to do is use a foam roller, and it's been said that you can't really use a foam roller for the forearms, but I disagree, especially if you're rolling out the area for the first time and don't need a ton of pressure. So if you just prop it up on the wall like you see here and position your arm across and work it through, it can be a very effective tool. This roll is hitting the forearm flexors. To hit the extensors, turn your arm over, and you'll probably have to lower your arm a bit to be comfortable. And just make sure to spend 30 seconds to a minute on both the flexors and the extensors. So now we're going to get more localized. What I want you to do is set the tennis ball up right on those extensor tendons near the top of the forearm. Put some firm pressure through the ball and work it around and really dig in there. Do that for at least a couple minutes, making sure the arm that you roll is relaxed and supported. Okay, so for the last progression, we're going to get even deeper in the muscle and just use 2 fingers from our other hand. You're going to work the same spot you did before, again, really making sure to dig in. This method should feel the most intense and leave you with an almost numb feeling through that area after a couple minutes. Next, we're going to move on and do a little stretching, and we're going to start with a stretch for the wrist flexors. To hit the flexors, take one hand and pull it back and hold there for as long as needed. If that is too intense or it is eliciting any pain, we can make the stretch a little gentler by closing the fist and then performing the same stretch. To hit the extensors, we're going to position the hand downward and push the hand toward you. And again, the same modification can apply here by just closing the fist. Alright, so we've done the soft tissue work, we've done a little stretching, now we need to move on to strengthening the forearm. Go ahead and find a chair or bench to place your forearm down and position your wrist so that it rests right over the bench. From there, you'll see I'm slowly lowering the dumbbell all the way down. This should take 5 seconds at a minimum. And when you're done, take the other hand and passively bring it back up to the start. I want to make it clear that this is not intended to be a complete cure-all for tennis elbow, just a few quick things that you can perform pretty easily on your own to get you started on the right track. It all depends on the person, so just take things at your own pace, and hopefully some of those things will be pretty valuable to you. But thanks for taking the time to check out this video. If you are viewing this through YouTube, make sure to click on the link beneath the video to go to our site, PersonallyFitDayton.com, to see the accompanying article, Elbow Education, Tennis Elbow. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to send us an email at personallyfitdayton@gmail.com to find out how we can help you experience your fitness potential. This is Casey Esser, signing off.